you, Parker, Sawyer. The whole family's here. Beautiful painting. Who is this? That's not. That's Miss Pam. That's Miss Pam. That's Ma'am. That's not Miss Pam. Hi. You caught me hanging around, didn't you? Now, hold up. So this is the good old magnolia. This big old magnolia tree. And you see over here, we got a great old Wilfred widow. If you get deep in here, it's kind of scary. It's going to tangle you or something like that. But when you get in here, it's like your own secret clubhouse. I mean, you can just kill yourself. Then once you get out of here, oh my God. Jeez Louise, that hurt. It's a good little hop. It's got daylight here. Oh, yes, sir. You saw that? On the line. I know. Has Frazier been out here? You want to see me do a split? Look at this. If I break my neck, give all my money to Frazier Wilson. He's my favorite man. About to go to the moon, dog. See this, dog? Go, hey! I just gotta say this one more time. Oh! Let's cut that and we'll do it again, alright? Now this right here is what we call a Grand Oak in Georgia. Hi, I'm Phil Swift here. And we're in Georgia's outdoor nature trail. This is a great, beautiful white oak. I want to say it's about 125 years old. And then this tree that you're standing right behind here is what we call a pecan tree. It's just very immature right now, all right? See this? If I sit on this, the branches will break. Don't call me fat, I promise I'm not. All right. This right here is another walnut tree, but for some reason, it's bigger than the other one. I mean, I'm not gonna call it fat, but it's not too skinny. And here we got another great oak tree. This one's been here a little bit shorter than that one, but I'd say that is the parent of this grand oak right here. This is just a beautiful little oak right here. This is beautiful. You see this? Yeah. I don't deal with spiders around here. I'm sorry, folks, but this is where I'm have to leave y'all. Oh shoot, is that sand? Fun fact, guys, sand is from the beach. It comes from all the water in the world. And here we got another great species of trees. This one, holy crap. Oh my gosh, it's a little spider. Come here, little boy. Hey, I got you. Where did the little boy go? Hold on. Oh, I found him. Look at him. Look at him. Would you look at that? That's a great little granddaddy long leg. Oh, that's just beautiful. Crap, I think I might have did I just break his leg? Here's a fun fact for y'all. Gravel is made out of tiny pieces of granite that have been blown up. You know, like, kaboom. It's just everywhere. It's in your driveways, it's in the asphalt, it's everywhere. Oh my gracious. Look at that. See what I mean? Look, it looks like a big old pile of rocks, which it is, but it's gravel. You understand that? There's a whole science of this gravel, alright? This is gray gravel. All this is just being turned into little rocks. And you know, when you blow it up, they come in all different shapes and stuff. See, look. This one right here, it looks like a trapezoid. Hi, today we'll be talking about Kentucky bluegrass. This is one of the most popular little grasses in all America. Most likely, your yard is Kentucky bluegrass. Whenever this Kentucky bluegrass is wet, it produces shiny little film. It's beautiful. Whenever it's dry, it's one of the best plant forms on our most soccer fields, most football fields use it. Your local high school probably laid sod down. But you know what? That's probably a hybrid of, you know what? Little Kentucky bluegrass, you know what I'm saying? It's good. Oh. But when it gets chopped up, it leaves some mess. Ow. And it itches because there's bugs. They're called red bugs. You might be able to see my back because it's starting to turn red, all right? Well, hippity do ha hey, folks. This is it for Ethan's nature video. I'm gonna call it a documentary. It was very informative. Now, if you got any more questions about lovely nature, call my number 706-503-6053. All right. Now, tiddly do, y'all.